Mm. Good evening, all of you. So, last session means day before yesterday. Yesterday there is no session. So, today was Friday, na? Wednesday, the last explanation about the field set, but program is not completed. Half program only completed. So that I'm going to continue now. So once if you see the output of the previous code, this box is our field set, and inside the field set we have some 3 tags, some H1 tags and one H2 tag. And I said already we can place any type of tag, any number of tags, there is no problem in that one. Next, field set, I want to design something attractively, sir. Means a box, common border. Actually, it's not a box, common border for multiple HTML tag elements. So this common border by default to something thickness available, color black, gray, I think. And I don't like this, sir. I want to change the line style, line color, etc. Yes, 100% possible. So I'm showing one more example here. So field set, and what we are going to display inside, sir, some images I'm going to display. The first tag we places some text together, heading. So this example I'm going to display some group of images. It look like as a gallery style also. Mobiles gallery is available now, that style. How many images are? Minimum 2 images required. Maximum your interest. Any number of images we can take. So IMG, the tag name is IMG. SRC equals to images slash So 6 images I'm taking total here. Once we'll see all these 6 images, they're displaying with the 6 different sizes. Reason, we are not controlling the size. Every image displaying with their own size or their default size. But for all these 6 images, we'll get one common border by using the field set. That is confirmed. The problem with only images, with sizes especially. First image, second image, third image is super big, fourth image is too much big, like this. What about other images, sir? All are available. One, two, three, four, four chain. Now all 6 images ready. So the problem is all 6 images getting in the different sizes. So obviously it's not looking good. Then what to do, sir? Every image we should get into uniform size. Then only it's look like as a gallery feeling. Then what to do, sir? Width to height attributes available, so those we can go. So take the width of the image, 400 pixels. The height of the image, 400 pixels. In square format, I am going to displaying all images, square shape. Same measurement apply for every image. Now it's looking better compared to previously. Okay, size is okay for me. Next to further settings. So what are the further settings we require, sir? First, a border style, I want to change it. I want to change the border style. Normal, it's looking just normally. How to change the border style, sir? Recently we discussed some border attribute. Already field set is there. Field set we designed with certain line style. A line style I want to change. So use the border attribute. Remember, border attribute. Just use that one. So thickness of the border, I need 5 pixels. Border style inside. Okay. Border side inside. And the color blue I am taking here. Now we'll get some effective border like this. Next to another small change required. The border displaying properly, there is no problem. Next, what is my requirement, sir? Images right side, so much of gap is there. Why is there is no image to display in that box, sir? So I want to reduce the box size. Now already field set they have some measurement. If you reduce the measurement, this line comes to closer to your images. That gap we can remove it. What to do, sir? Apply the same. Why 1300 only, sir? How many images horizontally displaying? 3 images. Each image width how much? 400. So 3 images, 1200 pixels they required conformly. Then why 13, sir? 100 extra space. That space also not looking, sir. I'll arrange something specially. Wait. Okay, we can take 15, 12, 15. Some more reducing. If I give the 1200, is sharply it will comes. But I don't want 1200. Next, all 6 images inside your box available in center, left side or right side. All 6 images inside that border left side available, right? I want to get into center, sir. That is one alignment. Inside that frame, we can display the center. So how, sir? Alignment option is available. Text hyphen align. Recent examples we already used, sir. Align and text align. So text align equals to center. Now 6 images moving to center of the box. Center of the box. Left side how much gap is there? Right side also we have the same gap. See that. Center of the box, not center of the screen. This is one concept. Next one. At the top of this one I need a small heading, sir. My photos or my creativity or my gallery, my album. Generally we are watching these type of headings in our mobiles. So the type of one heading is required, sir. Yes, sir. For that we have one special tag. Tag name is Jai Balaya. Remember? Legend tag. So use the legend tag. Our Akanda is comes now. So my photos and legend close. Where it will come, sir? A blue color border is there, na? In the blue color border, some portion of the line cutting. How much, sir? My photos displaying how much space required. That much of line it is cutting. In that place, the photos heading displaying. Center or left or right side, sir? Center, because the alignment we already given center. It comes automatically in center position. Here. But it is displaying very small size, sir. Apply the settings. The default text size very small. So apply some settings. For legend tag, because the heading displaying very small size. So once again, style equals to, write something. What? I want to increase the size of the text. So for size of the text increasing, we have one CSS attribute, that is font size. And how many, sir? 30 pixels required. And almost big size it will comes. Font size 30 pixels. That also not enough for me, sir. I increase some more, 36 or 38. Next, it is heading of this total frame. So a lettering style, I need something differently, sir. The routine style of lettering. I need some different lettering, sir. So for that we have one attribute specially. That attribute name is font family. Font family. What is this, sir? Lettering style we are changing, sir. In our Windows operating system, font settings available. In Notepad, MS Word, PowerPoint, Paintbrush. No. Every software we have. If you go for the font settings, some different models available. The Arial, Tahoma, Comic Sans, something. That is called as font family. In the same box, font size also available. A font size I already implemented here. So see this, sir. You know whether this one very well in Windows. This is called as font family. This is called as font style. And this is called as font size. This is font size. Which style you like, just observe here. The different lettering you can go. This is okay, the different lettering. This is also okay, no problem. This is also okay. So I'll go for this one. The name of this one 40. Font family equals to this is. So lettering style changing now. Lettering style changing here. So font size we applied and font family also we applied for the different type of headings. So this is the common border concept, advantage for displaying of these type of situations. We have border option also, sir. If you apply the border, 6 images, 6 individual borders are comes. Without field set, if you go for your old knowledge border, borders comes, but 6 images, 6 different borders comes. But my requirement is common border required. I already give an example. Individual houses, so gated communities. Individual houses, every house they have the compound wall. Gated communities, every house compound wall not available. All houses common compound wall available. At the top of the compound wall, what we have? ABC gated community, BBC gated community. Because that is heading. Simple thing. Next, this is our original code, what we have to write. Here I implemented any CSS or not? Yes. But which style I implemented, sir? First approach I implemented, inline CSS, right? But I suggested to you, maximum try to avoid the inline CSS. It's affecting to application performance. So use the internal CSS only. Two models we already discussed it, sir. First your understandability purpose I designed. Now I'm changing the code. Same result there, but background functionalities are different. I am taking also changing them. But now what I am doing is, in legend is there na? This legend tag I am removing from here, writing in the top of the program. So how to type internal CSS? Second approach, style tag. Inside the style tag, which tag settings you want to apply, write the tag name, open curly brackets, your settings. This here code simplifying, HTML code simplifying. Next, another advantage to write that internal CSS app. But how many images we have? 6 images available. But 6 images, 6 times you are writing width to height, width to height, width to height. Luckily 60 available. 60 times you have to write that one. So unnecessary complication and time wasting process. Shift this one also to CSS. So much of code simplification is comes. Instead of writing 6 times, we are just writing only once and it's automatically affected to all 6 images. See that how much code reducing, how much free space you are getting, see that. But what about the image, sir? Go to the top of the program once again. Take IMG, write the same settings here. So code simplification. If you implement the CSS, it's always reducing your coding, especially internal CSS, top of the program. Inline CSS, if you follow, sir, no reducing of the code. Same output, same result, but it's more faster than the previous coding. Execution speed difference available. Next to images, I'm going to applying one extra setting, sir. All images sharp edges coming out. The sharp edge I'm going to cutting to curved edge. What is the attribute? Displaying with curved edge. What is the attribute name? Border radius. Very good. Border hyphen radius colon or 10 pixels curve required. All 6 images getting the curve and it's looking good also, see that one. The curves are clearly visible together. But I given the 10 pixels and not much more curve. Okay, I need more curve and you can increase the measurement. Next comes to this font family. Can I write the multiple font names here, sir? Actually, we have to write multiple font names here. A minimum of 2-3 names we have to write. 2-3 varieties of or 2-3 families. Family is there, na? So suppose for your understanding purpose, Rama family, next to Sam family, next to Rahim family. three families names I mentioned. Reasons are all browsers are supporting all font families, sir. No guarantee. How many browsers are available? That each and every browser supporting every font model, sir. I can't give any guarantee. Some browsers Times New Roman supporting, some browsers Times New Roman not supporting, some browsers Tahoma supporting, some browsers Tahoma not supporting. But your website, which user is opening? Different browsers using the same browser. Different browsers. And your code should be supported to all browsers. So when you write only RAM family only, sir, which browsers support the RAM writing style? Those users no problem. Which browser supports the RAM font family? So those users there is no problem. RAM font family non-supporting browser available. In that browser, your website is opened by the user. What happens, sir? How you are presenting the data, that is not comes. Browser's own style it will comes. Because what are the name you mentioned, that name I am not supporting. So obviously I am going to my own style. After lettering styles, spaces, so variations are comes conformed. Then only what to do, sir? If this font is not supported by the some browsers, that browser supporting some style available, na? Write that one also here. Like that, better maintain the 2-3 models minimum. My Mac browsers different to Unix browsers different to mobile browsers different to TV browsers different. Website is go to opening any of these devices. So better go for like this. Suppose I'm writing here Arial, sir, just for explanation, space. Second model, this one. Third model, sir, some Tahoma. Suppose it's not supported actually our browser. Microsoft Edge browser Tahoma not supported. I think practical example. So why you were writing the 3, sir? Arial for some group of browsers, Tahoma for some another group of browser, 40 for the another group of browser. But any browser, all 3 models are supported, what happens? Chance available. If any browser, by chance, these 3 models are supported, sir, what happens? First come, first service. So browsers, what they are doing, sir, while applying of the font family models, they are starting from the left to right model. Applying from left to right model. So left side, who is the first model? Arial. So I'm using some browser B1, sir, or Chrome I'm using. My browser Edge, Edge I'm using. Edge is supporting Arial, sir. Okay, very good. I'm directly displaying output with the Arial. But what about Tahoma, sir? I'm not touching Tahoma because first model is compatible for me. I don't need to go for second model. By chance Arial is not supported by the Edge, sir, then thinking about the Tahoma. Tahoma also not supported, sir, then thinking about the 4G. This is the process. Left to right order it is following. If all 3 supported also, left side first one is affecting to your output. So see this one. This is Arial and this is font. Now my browser supported both styles. So check it once. Letter style change it, observed. Suppose I am removing this one, sir. One only available, letter style is comes this one. So what are the font family names you are specifying? That should be related to all the browsers. All the browsers. So instead of blindly depending on one model, better write the 3-4 models. Compulsory one of that model chosen by the browser. Rest of things normal, is it? I'm not using anything specially. I think first time I'm using font family, that's why that information I provided. The spellings should be proper. Spelling wrong, sir. Default style is activated. So fort, which fort, sir? Golconda fort. Gone. So your given model, browser not supported. Maybe models are problem or spelling problem, whatever it may be. What happens? The default model is activated. So spellings should be modal, and compatibility also we have to think. Next, moving to the next explanation. We know the little bit of CSS knowledge. Recent sessions we discussed already. Implementations, first approach, second approach, like that. In that, some more information I am going to sharing to you now. And coming my future topics, it's required for me. So what is that some more information, sir? CSS we can implement in inline pattern as well as the internal pattern. Inline pattern I said that try to avoid that one. In internal pattern, CSS implementation substyles are available again. Internal one main category, in that subcategories are available. Subcategories I am going to focusing now. So how many models we can implement internal CSS, sir? More than 10 plus models are available. Internal CSS implementation at 10 plus varieties are available. In the 3 varieties I am going to covering now. Only 3 varieties I am covering. 7 varieties, sir. After Amavasya we'll discuss that one balance. That timing wise those comes, sir. Forcefully we can't discuss all the things at a time. The topics wise we have to discuss it. So just for your awareness, I am saying internal CSS we can implement or we can define in 10 plus ways or 10 plus varieties. In the 10 plus varieties, I am going to covering 3 ways currently. So what are the 3 ways, sir? One is tag selector, that we know already. Last example we implemented, but I am explaining again. Second one is ID selector. Third one is class selector. These are the 3 ways what we are going to discussing and mostly used ways in our CSS. These 3 type of implementations is mostly used in our CSS models. Out of these 10 plus, these 3 mostly used. Rest of things also required as I'm not neglecting, but this is the not right time to discuss it. So what is the tag selector? What is the ID selector, sir? Once I'll go for your nodes, sir. Previously what we discussed. Previous notes I'm opening here once. I hope you remember these things, these explanations. Let a style tag, style inside we are writing selector, right? In these selectors, 10 varieties of selectors are available. One variety is tag selector, second variety ID selector, third variety class selector. Doesn't matter. Differences we don't know, sir. How to write it also we don't know, sir. That is our current explanation. How to write I am going to covering, at the same time differences also I am going to covering. So first I am going to starting with the ID selector. Tag selector I will cover it first. What is the tag selector, sir? I want to define the common styles for all tags. All tags in the sense not H1, H2, H3. So some of the programs, so particular tag repeatedly is coming. Last example image tag 6 times I used. That is I am saying. So particular tag I am using n number of times in this program. But this n number of times I want to display with the same appearance. Same appearance. How many times the tag is repeated in this current program, that number of times I need the same style. Blue color, 20 size, central alignment. How many times, sir? 20 times I used it, 20 times I need same style. 200 times I used it, 200 times I need same style. So possible, sir, by using the tag selector we can use. Best example, your last example, 6 images, so I want to display with the same size. What we did first? 6 times width, 6 times height. How I simplified that one? Top of the program, IMG. What is IMG? Oh. Image, but it's attributed tag. Tag only kada. So tag open bracket. So tag selector. In this tag selector, I mentioned the width and height. It is applying to how many tags? 6 images tags it is applied. That is the purpose of this tag selector. So how to explain that one, sir? Use it to define common styles for all instances of specific tag or particular tag. What is this meaning of all instances, sir? Repetitions, sir. All instances is nothing but repetitions. So the particular tag or the specific tag, how many times it is repeated, that number of times it is applying the common styles. That is the meaning of that one. Defining the common styles for all instances of the particular tag. The one tag styles, another tag is not applied. Example, go to the last example. I set the image width 400. The field set also comes with 400. No, the H1 tag also comes with 400. No. So image tag settings, image tags only applied. Other tags it is not going to forwarding. That is, I said the specific tag or particular tag. Syntax, sir. Generally, this is the syntax, sir. Your tag name comes here. Which tag you want to define? Open curly bracket. Property colon value, property colon value, property colon value. How many properties we can write, sir? Hundreds of properties we can write. No objections, no restrictions. And close this. But these styles, how the browser applying to the particular tag only, sir. Then only what we are writing here? Tag name only writing. The same name, is there anything in your program or not? A browser cross checking. Yes, sir, these names are found something in page, sir. Apply these styles blindly on that. How the browser knows, sir, these I defined for H1 only, or these I defined for H2 only, and just it is following the name of the tag what you writing here. And what we mentioned here, H2. So how many H2s available in this program? That all H2s comes with this style. And I mentioned the paragraph here. How many paragraphs available in this program? That all paragraphs are comes with these styles. All paragraphs, 100%. And how many tag selectors I can write, sir, in one program? Unlimited. Last example, already an image tag designed plus legend tag also designed. Last example. No. Legend tag I defined and image tag also I defined here already. Live example, tag selector. How you know it's a tag selector only, sir? Legend is tag name or own name? That's it's a tag selector. IMG is also tag name or own name? Tag name. That's it's a tag selector. You want to particular enter, it comes in future. First what I am explaining, listen that one. Cross questioning, no. Wait for to finish the total explanations. Now comes to the program. I'm taking H1 close. So write some color, white, background color, Actually this white to red, okay, color, background color. Next, alignment, text align, center. These are the three properties, nothing but an one style. The one style, three properties, but style is one only. How can say, sir? It is one curly bracket. This total is called as one style. Inside that, if you write 100 properties also, it is counted as a single style. It is applicable for all H1 tags. Now go on, check it here. H1, print something names. The total 3 H1s I am taking here. 4 also you can take, there is no problem. 4 H1s. Now run this program. All 4 H1s comes with the same style. As per your given settings, red, white, central alignment. Red to white to center alignment. Next, I have one H2 tag, sir. H2 tag available. Suppose I want to apply the same style, sir, not comes because tag name changed. So browser unable to recognize that one. H2 comes in normal format. But what about H2, sir? All H1, H2s I want to display in different styles, sir. Not possible. Take one more. Suppose some TCS H2, some CTS H2, some Infosys H2. 3 H2s are available. I want to get these 3 H2s in different styles, sir. Take the H2, write which one you require. Color, blue. Background, yellow. Alignment, no alignment, only background and foreground, that's all. These 2 H2s are comes with your given style. This is the tag selector concept, sir. Tag selector nature is that one. We can't break that, we can't change that one. We have to just follow. I wanna follow, just follow. And next, but all H1s are comes in same style. All H2s are comes in same style, sir. Yes, but I need every H1 in the separate style, sir. Each and every heading I need the different appearance. Every heading I need the different appearance. Possible, sir? Yes, sir. Possible. For that ID selector we have to go.